So I went to Elitch Gardens with that lady Masha's daughter, Anna. And so we just went on the flume ride, Shipwreck Falls, and we are soaked. Okay, bye.
Where are you?
In a very scary place right now. Hey Mom, would you like to buy some ooze?
Some who?
Some ooze?
Ooze.
Look, you want to buy some ooze?
Ooze.
Ooze.
Well, look at this ooze. It's a watermelon, ginger, lime.
That one sounds good too.
It's a toe. This was in the drink.
I brought it back for you.
Oh, did it taste okay?
Well, sure, it tastes fine. Are you taking it apart?
Yeah, it feels like a towel.
And no, it totally looks like.
Is it fibrous?
She touched it. She can't do it now.
Is it fibrous?
Yes.
So like ginger, it's fibrous like
No,
ginger.
it is not fibrous. It's fibrous like a towel.
It does.
Touch it.
Ew, I don't want it.
Touch it.
So don't drink it.
Touch it.
I even tried so hard for you on that one. I made a face. There was a bunch.
I was
Ricky's like, I'm not. He's holding
See,
it.
I was
I'm not
sitting there just
recording.
like, I recorded the cup.
Unless it's in these. Are you? Hi. That bugger? No. Should we do this one?
Nice.
Hold on. It's not dry enough.
You got
When
it.
I eat bananas,
The gruesome. And there's that. So they're the minus the pink.
seriously.
Oh no.
They're really
Yes,
good.
I know. That's nice.
Into your phone. Wait, no, let's see what tone that. Let's see if we can make something musical out of that.
Here.
Oh,
Leone.
that's definitely on.
Leone.
The biddies with kitties. That's what our YouTube channel will be. Biddies with kitties.
And
Yep.
you know what? You'd get so much traffic because people love the cats.
Don't even know where to go with that statement.
Frisky.
Well, here's the deal.
I didn't even
Maybe
think
he's
about
not.
the
He can't
flash.
figure out there's flash. Maybe he's not Chatfield material.
Where is that?
Oh my god.
You have a Fitbit? I have a Fitbit. Watch out, everyone. Take cover. We're gonna
Jumping over the bed.
Thank you guys so much for watching this weekly vlog. Below, there should be a little picture of my face right on the screen. Click it and it should lead you to subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, if you want to see my Friday uploads, click that playlist right there. If you want to see my vlogs, click the play right there.